Hello students, welcome to the science class of Standard 6. We'll be starting with the first lesson, food, where does it comes from? In this lesson, you will be learning about food, food variety and ingredients, sources of food materials, plant part product as food, animal part product as food, and also you will be doing an activity based on the concepts you have learned. Finally, the summary of the lesson. Now let's move on to the concept, food. Have you ever wondered why do living beings need food? Yes, food is important for the survival of living beings. The food that we consume is classified as plant product food and animal product food. Food for human being is made from the plant source and animal source. Also, food provides us energy and nutrients to do a work or the task. While speaking about food, there seems to be much variety in food. So, I got curious and inquired with few of my friends like what did they eat today? Did they eat the same kind of food as yesterday? My friend Lisa said she had noodles and Pinky said she ate rava idli, whereas it was different from what I had. I know you are also curious about knowing what your friend had, so don't wait. Go ask your friends and make a list of it and write it in the classwork. Now we will learn about variety of food and ingredients. We know that there are different variety of food. Do you want to know what are these food items made of? The food items are made of ingredients. For instance, think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and boil it in water. Just two materials or ingredients are needed to prepare the boiled rice. Here are some examples listed in table 1.2. Get help from your elders. Add few more items to the list and write it in your classwork. We have learned about food, the importance of food, variety of food, and the ingredients that are used to prepare food. Now we will be learning more in detail about what are the predominant crops that are grown in various regions of India. The first is Western Himalaya. Here, rice, potato, barley, wheat, maize are grown. The second is Eastern Himalaya. Here, rice is the staple food. Along with that, there are some citrus fruits which are important of Eastern Himalaya. Third is Gangetic Plain. Here, wheat, mustard, groundnut, jute, sugarcane, fruits, vegetable, and flowers are grown. In Middle Gangetic Plain, rice and wheat are the predominant crops grown over there. In Upper Gangetic Plain, rice, maize, pearl millet, and other pulses are grown. In Trans Plateau, wheat and rice are the predominant crops. In Eastern Plateau, rice, millet, ragi, oilseed, potato are the predominant crops. In Central Plateau, maize is the predominant crop. In Western Plateau, oilseeds, fruits, pulses, potato, sugarcane, rice, bajra are the predominant crops grown over there. In Southern Plateau, pulses, wheat, coffee seeds, ragi, citrus fruits, and coconuts are the predominant crops. In East Coastal Plain, the predominant crop is paddy. Including that, wheat, jowar, and groundnut are the predominant crops. In West Coast areas, bajra, jowar, millet, and pulses are the predominant crops. The places like Gujarat, bajra, maize, paddy are grown. In West Dry region, oilseeds, bajra, millets are grown. 15th place is Island. Here, potato, vegetable are cultivated in these places. The food crops vary according to their climatic changes. Students, I have listed the region and their predominant crops in the description. Draw India map and make a note of it in your note, then get help from your elders and write few famous dishes of these regions. So far you have learned that we get food materials from various regions of India. Now let's learn about the sources of food. The sources of food are classified as plant part product as food, animal part product as food. Now we are going to see about plant part product as food. Plants are the sources of food. Not all part of plant can be used as food. Only the edible parts are used as food. As we know that we can use plant product as food, there are some plants which are made up of more edible parts like stem, fruit, leaf, flower and seeds. Plants like banana, mustard, lemon are few examples where many parts of the single plant are used. Students, think of more example and make a note of it in your classwork. There are different parts of plant that we use as food like leaf, fruit, flower, stem, root and seed as food. Now we'll see what are the root vegetables we take. Root as food. Here I have listed some vegetables which are made from roots like carrot, radish, sweet potato, beetroot and etc. We also use stem of the plant as food like potato, ginger, sugarcane, onion, etc. Similarly, we use the flowers of the plant as food like cauliflower, broccoli, rose. Do you wonder how we use rose? Yes, the image which you see here is rose jam, which is also known as gulkan, and it is used as a medicine for ulcer. The next is the leaf as food. So if I say leaf vegetables, you would have got to know what are the common leaf vegetables. So here are some common leaf vegetables which are listed like cabbage, spinach, onion leaves, etc. We all like to eat fruit, isn't it? Here are some fruits I have listed like pineapple, apple, guava. Some fruits are sour in taste and sweet in taste. So far, we have got to know that we use root, stem, flower, leaf, and fruit as food. There are also seeds that can be used as food, like wheat, paddy, fenugreek, mustard, groundnut, and etc. The seeds like mustard, groundnut, and sunflower are used to obtain oil. We have learned that plant product can be used as food, but not all plants are edible. Such kind of a plant are said to be non-edible plant. So don't try to test whether the plant is edible or not, because some plants can be poisonous. So far you have learned about the food, variety of food, ingredients that are used to prepare food. So based on that, there is an activity in table 1.3. So you're going to make an activity the same as the given table and write it in your classwork. Also, you are going to find some famous dishes of the different region which I have listed in the description. Thank you for attending the class. Stay safe, stay home, and enjoy learning.